YouTube. I'm holding the camera because I'm left my tripod behind me. So what's going on with this Diacro thing? Well, I made a bench for it. I put the handles back on it right here. One of the things that's going on, this thing weighs 300 something pounds, and I was going to repaint it, but here's the problem. It's too freaking heavy. Like, I really need a gantry crane in here, or a ceiling crane, or a freaking motor lift or something, because there's a lot of parts on here. They're going to kill me. So for the time being, I'm just going to redo the fingers. I might clean off, I'm going to clean this, the bare metal. I'm going to clean this off and maybe just paint it with a brush. I'm going to clean this off and polish it. And I might just take a brush and clean out the back side of it because there's a ton of dirt in it. But it's so freaking heavy. It weighs 350 pounds that it took two of us to get it on here. It was just like, oh, I had a sore back for like 2 days. So time being, I'm cleaning all the fingers and oil them up, probably give them a light coat of, what is it, clear coat or paste wax or something, and just leave it at that. I gotta paint the handles, and I'll probably find a color green, but other than that, machine's awesome. Now I want to, what do you call it? I want a Diacro sheet metal shear. I only want a small one because I don't want to, I'm not making large things, I just want a small shear. Anyway, we'll see some more videos. I'll probably be making, me and my daughter making some boxes. Like, subscribe, check all the folks below, and enjoy.